Hey, let's make some tortilla beef kebabs. I've seen several different versions of this recipe on Instagram. We're going to give it a try today. I've got zero net carbs tortillas. I've got them all stacked up here. What we're going to do is square them up. So, going to get rid of that way. Get rid of that way. Down this side. Then come right here. You want them all squared up. Got 1.3 pounds ground beef. That is one chopped up red bell pepper. That is 1/3, maybe just a little bit more of red onion. And then I've got one chopped jalapeno. Now before I cooked it, I had 1/2 pound. Now I kind of pre-cooked it in the microwave. I hope you can see that. It's not cooked 100%. Maybe about, I have one of those little pansy microwaves. I don't remember how long it took. It might have been 4 or 5 minutes, but if you've got a regular microwave, it's not going to take near as long. 1 tablespoon of cumin. Right there. Got a teaspoon each. I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons each. Black pepper and salt. 2 tablespoons of paprika. And then I don't know if you've cooked with sumac before, but look at the color. It almost looks like chili powder. We got 2 tablespoons of sumac. It's native to the Mediterranean and parts of the Middle East. It's got a tangy, citrusy flavor. Now I'm just going to mix all this goodness together. Now let's bring those tortillas back into the picture. That's a hard word for me to say, right? What we're going to do, that's 1 tortilla, whatever the heck that word is. Right. And then we're going to put a thin layer of this ground beef mixture down on this tortilla. I can't say that word. I don't know why. Now let's bring another one over here. And I'm going to keep repeating this process, putting a thin layer on each level of these tortillas. All right, that's our 8th tortilla. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to slice these guys 1, 2, so about thirds. There's one. And there's the other. Now we're going to be careful so that we don't tear these apart. Put them on their sides like this. Put the next one there. And then the final. Right? Now they're pretty even. Now I've got a skewer here. I'm going to come through with 1, 2 skewers. I'm going to try not to poke my hand. You can see I kind of tore that in. I hope it's going to be all right. I was trying to stay out of the way for the video. Let's come back in here with our 2nd skewer. Hopefully I'll come out all right this time. Looks like I tore that in both times, all right? Now I'm going to come right down through this guy. We're going to get our skewers on here. Both of them like so. Here I've got 1 stick of butter. We've got about 1/3 of a cup of chopped parsley, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. Let's let this Kamado grill do its magic. It's been 15 more minutes. Let's check it out. Hey, let's have a look. Oh, the sun is just beating down. I hope you can see that. I'm trying to get my shadow out of the way. I'm gonna turn these guys over. Actually, I just turned them right back on to where they were, didn't I? There we go. Probably ought to have a couple of these tongs to help turn these over to keep things from falling apart. That's okay, they're looking good. You can see our butter sauce is all melted here. Now I'm going to come in here and hit these guys up. That butter sauce. Let them keep grilling. Do have the plate sitter in here with all this hamburger and the fat. You don't want it dripping right down on the charcoals. You'll have flame ups. I'd say we're cooking medium-high temperature, but we're cooking indirect. Let's finish getting that butter sauce on these guys. Let's keep cooking. It's been another 15 minutes, 30 minutes total. Let me get this lid up. Oh, they are getting some awesome color on them. Turn them over one more time. I had that in a little bit messed up. We're going to hit them up with our butter sauce again. These guys are getting close to done. 30 minutes total. There's what they look like up close. Now I've got some Blues Hog sugar-free barbecue sauce. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit across these guys. Not a lot. Come back in. That little brush. We've got lots of flavor. It'd just be one more coating of flavor. We'll go 10 minutes more max. All right, so if I remember correctly, we're into this cook 55 minutes total. It's time to get these beef kebabs skewers out. Skewers? I can't say that word either. Let's get these guys off here. Got a spatula this time. This way we won't tear them all up. At least I hope we won't. We'll let them rest, cool down a little bit, and then try a taste test. Now to finish them off, I'm coming in with this sriracha mayo. We're just going to come across like so with this sriracha mayo. All right, let's give it a try. I'm going to do some chimichurri first of all. So delicious. Now let's try that barbecue sauce. A little extra barbecue sauce dip here. That barbecue sauce works awesome as well. Hey, you could probably make 10 other sauces to go with this. You have got to try this one.